everybody, welcome to the Roshni Kushwaha channel. Today I'm back with another video. This is continuation of mindful eating apart to the healthy body. Now in the last previous lecture or the video, we learned about the test of the components of food, and I said in the next video, as I promised that in the next video we will learn it in detail. So these components, starch, protein, fat, their test we are going to learn in detail. Okay, so let's learn about it. Okay, so now this is the starch test, okay, or the iodine test. Okay, now this is called the iodine test for starch. It's you are going to learn the procedure how to do it. Okay, now prepare the sample first of all. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, prepare the sample. Place place a small amount of food in the test tube. Now this is a test tube, or you can take in a plate also. Okay, this is a plate. Okay, so now add iodine solution, just 2 to 3 drops of glucose iodine, or it's a iodine plus potassium iodine. Okay, now this is something this in color. Okay, brown in color. So for example, this is the sample, and this is the sample by itself over here. Okay, okay. For example, this green color is your glucose iodine or the iodine solution. If you mix in this, okay, if you mix in this like this, so over here what color will come in this food, in the plate that you have to get? It was in, for example, potato. You can take potato, it was in this color, right? Like orange in it was in yellow in color, right? It was yellow in color, right? And when your potato was yellow in color, dark yellow in color, then what does it form? Blue black appearance is to form over here. I think you can see over here, right? Blue black appearance means it was present, starch is present, otherwise no starch. Now what you need over here, the things that you need is a dropper. Dropper is important over here. You cannot put it by a cup. Okay, dropper is important. The sample is important, even more important. Okay, and then yeah, you need an iodine solution. Okay, so now let's see it from this picture over here, iodine test. Okay, so over here this is a potato. Now you peel the potato, not on the surface of a potato, you need to peel the potato first, then you put the iodine solution. Then if this iodine solution, this color will come. Now the iodine test is used to detect the starch from a sample. The peeled portion of the potato turned blue black color. Okay, an indication of the reaction between the iodine and the starch. Now let me tell you what happens over here. This is a potato. This is the iodine. Iodine is what? Iodine is color. Let me use another color. Iodine is colorless. Now what is the meaning of colorless? Means no color. Now when these iodine come and reacts with it, okay, when you put the iodine solution over here, then it turns into, this is the reaction. Okay, then the formation happens, these blue black appearance to come. It's all because of the reaction, the chemical reaction between them. Okay, now we have finished this. Let's learn about the puree test. We also need to learn about them, right? Okay, so this is a protein test. Okay, yeah, protein test means puree test. You also say we're gonna learn the procedure. Okay, prepare the sample first. Place a small amount of food like egg or white meat. If you don't want to use this whole thing, you can use beans, the best thing. Okay, or you can use beans in a test tube. Add sodium hydroxide. Pour 2 ml of NaOH. Instead of NaOH, you can say NaCl. That is salt. Okay, solution to make the mixture alkaline. You don't know this one. Okay, it's not into NCERT. And add copper sulfate. Add 5 to 6 drops of CuSO4 solution. Now observe the color. If violet or purple color is coming, then protein is present. Then if it's not, then it if it remains blue or no color change, so it's no protein. Okay. Now why does it say if it's remain blue? Because over here the things that you mixing is to form a blue color. If it remains a blue color, so then no protein is there. Okay, so over here, let me tell you with the real life example, or not real life. You have the crushed beans over here, and you have put this inside. Okay, only 2 to 3 beans. 2 to 3 beans. Okay, when you have 2 to 3 beans, you will put sodium hydroxide over here. That is colorless. No, not colorless. It has some colorless. Then you will fill it inside, right? Then you will add it like this. Then blue color will come. Now, if this blue color change into this purple color, I cannot say it purple. Like this something. Purple color, so means protein is present over here. Okay, now they didn't taught in the NCERT book, they didn't taught like which color is it. Okay, so I hope you have understood the protein test, right? So now let's learn about the fat test. Now the fat test, you can also see these fat test as fat test or grease spot method. Place a sample, put a rubber, prepare the sample, put rub or press a small amount of food like groundnuts or butter on the piece of the plain paper. Let it dry, leave it for undisturbed for a few minutes. After, observe the spot. If it's translucent or greasy, means you can see something over here, but you do not know. You can see something, but you cannot see it clearly. Okay, that's not as translucent. That's translucent, and spot remains translucent spot remains. So fat is present. No spot then disappears after drying. So means no fat is there. Now let me explain you with the help of this picture. Now if I put a water drop over here, while putting the sample, you need to rub it, or you need to press it by the tube with the dropper, a small amount of one drop. Then if this is the water, right? This is the water over here. If this water after some time if disappears, it becomes all white. It becomes what? All white over here, like it's the same color. So means no spot disappears after drying, so means no fat is there. Now if we say about the oil drop, so if this translucent spot remains, means fat is present inside. Okay, so I think you have understood it. Okay, so this, okay, I think you have understood this fat test over here. This oil drop, this translucent drop spot should remain, then only fat is present. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for today. The deficiency disease and the rest of it we'll cover in the next class, or next video or next lecture. So stay tuned. Bye. Have a like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon. Okay, and comment if you have any doubt. Feel free to comment your comment. How did you like this video? And Please write out your doubts. Until bye bye, take care, meet you in the next video.